I hear this question a lot. Can I really make enough money as a health coach? Is it really something that can provide a comfortable living for me? Or will I always be struggling? So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. If you're new to my channel, I'm a family doctor and a coach, and I help wellness entrepreneurs and health coaches on their journey to building a career they love. So let's dive into the topic of creating a profitable health coaching business. It may seem like there are a handful of really high-profile, big-name health coaches who are truly successful, and then a whole lot of people struggling to make a go of it. Many of you may be in some big Facebook groups for health coaches, and there can be an awful lot of negative stuff on there, to be completely frank. People talking about how frustrated they are, how disillusioned they are, how things aren't working. And if you spend too much time in there, you can start to absorb some of that negative energy and start to really take on that hopeless feeling that this just can't work. So instead of spiraling down into that hopeless thing, let's take a look at some actual things you can do, because I believe health coaching is most definitely a viable career and you can absolutely make good money doing it. But like many things in the entrepreneurial space, it is up to you. You are in control of your success, so you have to get your mindset right and you have to be strategic. I'm going to give you 4 ways to do both of those things. I've paired these 2 strategies because I really think they go together. Authenticity is key. If you're trying to do things you don't feel authentic and aligned with, it will be forced, and it will definitely block you from reaching your true potential. But this also goes hand in hand with being consistent. You may feel tempted to go chasing after the latest shiny thing, even if it's not something you're truly aligned with. You scrap your current strategy or it just kind of fizzles, and you start off with something new or different. And then you're kind of showing up all over the map. Your presence, your brand, especially in the online space, it won't be cohesive. In fact, it'll be kind of chaotic. So it's important to make all your business decisions with authenticity in mind, from your niche to your target market and your programs and your marketing strategies, and that you stay consistent and stay tenacious. I did a previous video on how to price your services as a coach. And in that video, one of the things I talk about is the benefits of charging premium prices. Having a mindset that owns your own worth in the coaching space is so crucial. Charging appropriately so you don't have to work with quite as many people, and the people you do attract truly value you as a coach. So they're ready to do the work and they will get great results. The alternative is charging cut rates, spending a lot of time on the hamster wheel and really burning yourself out. When you're focusing on getting amazing results for a smaller number of clients, you'll have much more ease with reaching your income goals, and you'll take care of your mental well-being at the same time. Building your business strategically. It's easy to want to develop a whole bunch of programs right off the bat to diversify your revenue streams. Do you need to create a course, write an ebook, run a retreat, create a mastermind? And when you start going down that path at too early of a stage, you really run the risk of getting sidetracked and overwhelmed and confused. Yes, it's a good idea to have multiple revenue streams eventually. But in the beginning, it's important to just work on one revenue stream at a time, really dialing it in, making it profitable, and then building on that success by layering in another stream. When I'm working with my own clients, that's what I help them do. Gain clarity on their revenue model when they're just starting out, really optimizing that in the beginning and then pivoting and expanding from there. Being willing to pay for mentoring and coaching for yourself is another key strategy that often separates the health coaches who make it and the health coaches who struggle. Being willing to invest in yourself and learning from people who have the expertise in a field you need help in is a key strategy. Truthfully, I don't know anybody who has been truly successful who hasn't got their own help or mentoring or coaching. As health coaches, we know the value for our clients when they invest in getting help and support and expert coaching when it comes to improving their health, but we don't always turn that around and recognize when we need the same support in building our businesses. You can, of course, try to do everything yourself, cobble it all together, but usually that means it will take a long time. You may get to the destination eventually, but you'll make a lot of mistakes along the way and run through a lot of your savings trying to get your business off the ground. Getting expert advice or coaching or mentoring, whatever it is that you need for the phase that you're in, it can be a significant shortcut to your success. Okay, let's recap. Making a great income as a health coach is definitely doable, and here are the ways you can increase your chances of major success. 1, be authentic and consistent. 2, charge premium prices. 3, build a strategic profit plan. And 4, get help. Now, if you're working on all those things, you are well on your way to building the foundation of a profitable health coaching business. But if all you need is a few more clients, I can help with that. I've created a PDF guide called 3 Steps to Winning New Clients this week, and you can grab it for free. It's 3 things you can do right now to find and enroll new clients into your health coaching business. Just go ahead and click the link to download that guide for free and then get started on the road to a much more profitable health coaching business. Okay, that does it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe so you're notified every time I release a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.